Welcome everyone to the Glenbarrow knit along. As you can see, I'm wearing the sweater now and still a little warm because it's summer here, although Irish summer is not too warm. But by the time you've finished your sweater, it'll totally be sweater weather. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of the sweater. We're starting at the neck, it's top down, and it's got raglan shoulder shaping. But it's raglan shoulder shaping with a little bit of a twist, because normally raglan shoulder shaping, you have both the body and the sleeve increases right next to each other. But with this sweater, we've got a panel of double moss stitch in between the shoulder and the body shaping. Same here. So what it means is that you have those double moss stitch panels and they're coming out from this point, kind of coming wider as you move down. And that also means for the body, where you've got a small bit of waist shaping, not too much, just a little bit, where it comes in and moves out, it also makes those double moss stitch panels move in and out. I've suggested kind of a comfortable amount of ease with this because I kind of intend this on being a slightly more relaxed, comfortable sweater. But that small little amount of waist shaping I find can mean that it looks just a tiny little bit more fitted and just very nice to wear. But if you want to change the way the body is shaped, I'll give some suggestions as we're going through. So if you prefer an A-line, or if you just want to take out the body shaping altogether, there will be ways of doing that within the pattern as we're working through it. So get your needles out, print your pattern and mark off your sizes, and we're ready to go.